everyone again. So being on the topic of cruelty-free products at the dollar store, one certain product that I found is called Salon Selective. For example, I found this Salon Selective humidity resistant volumizing extra hold hairspray. And this is what it looks like. And it says Salon Selective. And what's good about this is that it is cruelty-free. See, it says little bunny right there, which is really good. I mean, that's a newly discovered product at the dollar store that I found. So yeah, so that's a hair care product that makes shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that. And what's also another good cruelty-free product at the dollar store is ELF Cosmetics, ELF, and also Wet n Wild Cosmetics. I mean, they're really good. I mean, for $1. So yeah, so go try and find those products out. Called Salon Selective, ELF Cosmetics, and also Wet n Wild Cosmetics at the dollar store. So yeah, so see you soon. Bye.